Hi, this is UDDIN. Welcome to Wisdom Institute. Our today's lesson is stress and intonation. Dear viewers, you know that a stress and intonation, a stress can change a meaning, big meaning. Same sound, same spelling, but different meaning. Today I will show this thing in my class. I think you will like it. Okay, look, same words, different meaning. Stress and intonation can change the meaning of words. Okay, in here today I'm showing you some words. Those are used in Shuddha Bangla and Sylheti Bangla. But when they are used, the meaning is completely different. Okay, not only in Sylheti, in Shuddha Bangla also same thing happened. Okay, look, words. Aram. Aram, aram. Aram, that means comfort. Amar khub aram lagche. I'm feeling comfortable here. In here, aram. A stress, look, in here, aram. Stress on a changes the meaning of this word. That means I'm coming or we are coming. In Sylheti Bangla, Ami Aram, Amra Aram. Especially South Sylheti people, that means Molibajar areas people speak like that. Well, and another thing is Aram also a proper noun. Aram is also a proper noun. That means my name is Aram. Amar naam Aram. Amar naam Aram, ami Aram. Orthat, my name is Aram, I'm coming. Aram, Aram. Aram, comfort, as well a proper noun, people's name. Aram, that means I'm coming or we are coming. Aram, listen and say. Aram, Aram. Aram, Aram. Okay, then ein, ein. Flat sound ein means low, and stress on a changes the meaning of the word ein. That means he or she comes. Tini ashen. They come. They come. Tara ashen. Unara ashen. Ein, ein, that means ein, this is low, flat sound. He comes here, but he doesn't know the rules. Okay? Then, chini, in English, sugar, a noun. Chini, that means I know you, you know somebody else. Okay? So, how can you make difference between these two words? If you speak a Bangla sentence like this, Ami chini ke chini, then you can understand the meaning of the words. That is chini, that means sugar, a stuff of food. That is, we eat sugar with tea. Okay? Chini, Ami chini ke chini, that means I know him. I know him. I know Chini. Chini is a name also. Chini is a name also. Okay? Then book, boy. And in Sylheti, flat sound boy, that means I see it or we see it somewhere. Sylheti sentence will be Ami boy. Amra boy. That means Ami boshi, Amra boshi. Okay, next, cha, stress on cha, and flat sound sa. This is the sound between cho and cho, not cho, not cho. These are different meaning, a different sound. Only Sylheti people can pronounce it. Okay, cha. Do you like? tea, that means আপনি কি চা খাবেন? Or look at him, তার দিকে দেখুন। সিলেটের ভাষায় হবে তার বাই সাও, তার বাই সা। তুই ফর্ম, তুই তার বাই সা, অর্থাৎ তুই তার দিকে তাকা। সা চা খাওয়ার জিনিস, অবাই চা খাইতেনি। So we don't say cha, we say sa, not sa, not cha. Cha and sa between a sounds come out, so this called sa. Sa, অবাই সা খা, সা অবাই ও তোর সা তোর সার বাই, তোর চায়ের দিকে তাকা। So a stress can change the meaning of a word. I think you can enjoy. In Bangladesh we have 64 districts, but I think we have 100, at least 128 sounds in Bangladesh. Small country, big sounds, big local dialect. I think you will enjoy the Bangla language in Wisdom and stay with us. Thank you very much. Bye.